second position is still up for grabs, and Rajasthan can make it their own. But to do that, they need to ride over the Knight Riders. Once surfing on the waves of victory, now drowning in the sea of defeats, the Royals need to rise from the ashes like a phoenix. But Kolkata have truly emerged as knights, and their dominance speaks volumes of their excellence and determination. Beyond Sanju Samson and Riyan Parag's brilliance, Rajasthan's batting looks thin. Now Yashasvi Jaiswal needs to shake off his rust to fill the Jos Buttler-sized hole. But it will be an arduous task against Kolkata, as they are stacked with 4 bowlers who have taken 15 or more wickets so far. Another concern for Samson is R. Ashwin's bowling, who has not had the best of campaigns. Can he turn it around? While Kolkata will look to ease Ramanullah Gurbaz into the 11 as the replacement for Phil Salt. Now you've got to pick one: Sunil Narine, the mystery spinner, or Sunil Narine, the habit creator with the bat. Yup, the Caribbean superstar has made a mockery of bowlers, smashing 461 runs at a strike rate of well over 180. And the last time these two teams met, he annihilated the Royals bowlers with his maiden IPL 100. So how can Samson stop him? Trent Boult to bolt him? The left-arm pacer has exceptional wicket-taking abilities in the first over and poses a serious threat to the southpaw. Not just that, he also has cut short Narine's innings in all previous meetings. However, Sunil Narine will be up for the challenge, and this battle is set to provide fireworks. For the Royals to turn their top 2 finish aspirations into reality, this is a must-win. And a victory here will set the stage for a rematch in Qualifier 1. Nevertheless, the Knight Riders are determined to carry their winning momentum into the playoffs, and we back them to ace this battle.